Hello and welcome. Today I'm excited because I have a treat in this bag. Can you guess what's in it before I open it? I am fresh off of work, fresh out the shower, and I kind of been waiting on this meal all day. So I am so sorry about the loud noise in the bag. I have my son on his game, and then the neighbors are making a lot of noise outside. So, but yeah, you guys. Okay. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Look. What is that? What is that? It's pounded yam. And I have, hold on. Egusi soup. I get super excited when it comes to food. Okay, so look, this is the egusi soup, and this is tripe, which I love tripe. And then I have beef. I have 2 pieces of beef. Ooh, let me get a little taste. And then here I have a nice piece of fish. Oh my god. And some red sauce. Some red pepper sauce. So y'all, I'm about to get it in. Like, I haven't had this meal in a very long time. And I'm, like I said, I'm very excited. I'm so excited. Foodies always get excited about food. But yeah. So I'm about to get right into it. So yeah, I just wanted to share, and yes I did. I washed my hands. Okay, I washed my hands. But I just wanted to share my meal with y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'm excited. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right. See y'all later.